My name is Arushi Wahi. I am from 2017 batch PGIMS Rohtak, and today I'm here to share my journey with you. So, I started my journey post internship, and I hadn't prepared in internship. All I knew was the resources that I was going to follow by the end of internship for my prep phase. And in that came BTR. So, I stumbled upon ma'am's video on YouTube. She used to teach on a different platform back then, and I realized that this is the teacher that I want to study from. So thankfully, by the time I started preparing, BTR was launched, and I remember not taking anything anyone said to heart. All I remember is following Zainab ma'am and taking her words very seriously. So she told us to do BTR, like ma'am always tells, start with BTR, but then supplement it with things, because BTR is meant to be a very flowy revision tool. Everything should flow to you very easily and nicely, because it is made in that way. Ma'am has compiled everything very nicely together, because in the end, if you understand it, revision will be very, very quick. But if you don't, then you will struggle, because you will keep rot learning it, and that is not the essence of BTR. So I kept on adding things to BTR. I started with BTR and I kept supplementing wherever it was required, and thankfully that I understood in the first read itself. So my first read was very extensive. It took me a lot of time to compile everything, but my subsequent revisions became very easy with that. So I did the hard work in the first go itself, because I knew it had to be done sooner or later. And the sooner it's done, the better. Even ma'am said, the better it is, because your golden khichdi, you will just have to keep reading again and again, and that is easier than actually compiling everything, in the first place. The one thing that I struggled with a lot during this phase was underconfidence. I have been a very underconfident student in this phase. I could not mark MCQs that I knew were right, but because I doubted myself so much, because of lack of practice or that competitive space, I knew that I was going wrong again and again in that. I wasn't competitive enough to get through the exam well. That is where Vidya Jeevan changed everything. So I am so thankful to Zainab ma'am and Ravi sir and Apurv sir for starting this boot camp, and for the TNDs, because this place is everything. I joined BTR TND and I realized that I had been sitting at home for so long that I forgot that I wasn't the only one who was preparing. There were so many other people who were preparing harder than me, and I was just probably doing half of what they're doing. That is when I realized that I have to buckle up. Also, thankfully, the competition that I got in Vidya Jeevan was very healthy. We used to obviously try to be, better than each other, try to perform our best. But when one of us stumbled, the person sitting next to us would always guide us in the right way. They would either tell us the answer, or we would all go to Zainab ma'am together and come to the answer, or how she came to the answer. Like, everyone was very, very helpful in that way. So that is also one thing I think is very important: healthy competition and not just blunt competition. But the changing point in my study was Ravi sir. So I approached Ravi sir in March, I think. Feb I joined TND, and March I approached Ravi sir because of the same issue: stuck GT score and not being able to perform good in exams. So he told me to start solving a lot of questions, because theory was no longer the issue. So he kept on reiterating the importance of questions, and the one thing I think changed the game for me was maintaining the balance between overconfident and underconfident. So I could have tipped very easily to either side, because I remember telling Ravi sir after a good GT that, sir, I remember BTR by heart. I remember ENDs also. Now, and even compile modules I'm okay with. What do I do next? He said, you're not the only one who knows all of this. There are thousands of people who are competing with you who know all of this by heart. So, don't think that you know everything. Always try to up your game. There are some things that people are better than at you, and you have to keep filling in your weak points. I think that was very important. Otherwise, I could have gotten very lost in being in that overconfident aura that I know BTR. And when I scored low in GTs or in tests, sir used to say, this is not the end of end of your game. This is just another test, it's not your final test. So don't give up. The next test will be better. I think him constantly trying to balance this for me is what, pushed my rank a lot. Till the last day, I remember one day before the exam, Ravi sir wished me luck, and I remember telling sir, I will not take any load of what I remember or don't remember. I will give it my best, and I am not scared of MCQs anymore. And I think that is what I followed in the exam. And by Zainab ma'am's, guidance and Ravi sir's guidance, I reached over here. It is all thanks to them and this facility, because I think if I hadn't joined this, I never would have been in this place, in the place that I am right now, and I am very grateful.